So there was another little rumor that basically came out not that long ago that was basically stating of the next iPhone, not this year's iPhone, but actually the year after iPhone, which is going to be the iPhone 17 series. Now, it looks like Apple's going to be doing a few different things here. It looks like, for one, these iPhones are going to be better than the previous generation, which is something we were already expecting. But the biggest thing that Apple's going to end up doing here, as far as I can tell, that people are already rumoring, is that the iPhone 17, there's not going to be a plus model of this particular phone. There's been so many rumors that Apple is basically going to end up removing this next generation plus iPhone, which I think makes sense. I think the plus iPhones were kind of doomed to start. So I think this was a long time coming. I think it's a really good idea. But instead of them making a plus iPhone, they're going to be making an iPhone that's very similar to the plus iPhone, but it's going to be a slim device. So this is, I guess, Apple's highest end iPhone 17 model, which is going to be a slimmer iPhone than their next iPhone, than their previous generation, which I think is very weird. It's going to be above the Pro Max iPhone, so it's going to be even more expensive than that. But here's a few problems with it. One, this is not that hard of a rumor to believe, because if you take a look at Apple's design language with their current generation iPhones, they're basically doing exactly the same thing right now. Look at their iPads. With the iPad Pro, the M4 one that they just made, that is basically the slimmest, smallest Apple product Apple's ever made. And I do think that's a pretty crazy thing for them to do. I don't think they should have slimmed it down, because look at what they did when they slimmed it down. They basically removed a camera from that thing, which I think was very random. Well, what do you think is going to happen when Apple goes through and, makes this iPhone? Apple's going to end up going through and they're going to slim down probably a majority of the battery that the iPhone 17 Pro Max is going to have. So the 17 Pro Max, it's going to be it can be a thicker iPhone. So because of that, that iPhone's going to have probably a better battery. And I do think it's going to have either some sort of better chipset or something like that inside of that particular device. So when you take a look at the slim iPhone Apple's going to end up making, they have a few different choices. But I do think the biggest thing they're going to end up doing here is they're going to end up making the iPhone 17 slim, probably having a much slimmer battery. And that's going to be such a sad thing. I would hate for Apple to go and do that. But if this is going to be a side iPhone, like if they're going to remove the plus iPhone for the slim iPhone and make it more expensive, I think that's totally fair. But if they're going to slim down all the iPhones on the iPhone 17 series and they're going to bring in, smaller size batteries, I am not a fan of that. And I really hope Apple doesn't end up doing that across the board like they just did it with the iPad Pros. So I'd love to hear your thoughts about this. Let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.